Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cotton candy at home easily. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a cotton candy machine, or if you don't have one, a stand mixer with a whisk attachment can work in a pinch. Next, grab some granulated sugar and your favorite food coloring to make it extra fun. Don't forget paper cones or sticks. These are essential for collecting your delicious, fluffy creation. Getting everything ready beforehand makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's prepare our sugar. Measure out about 2 cups of granulated sugar into a clean, dry bowl. This amount is perfect for a good batch. Next, add 5 to 10 drops of your chosen liquid food coloring directly to the sugar. The more drops, the more vibrant your cotton candy will be. Mix it all together thoroughly until every grain of sugar is uniformly colored and completely dry. This ensures even color distribution in your final product. It's time for the magic. If using a machine, preheat it for 5 to 10 minutes according to the instructions. Once it's hot, carefully add just 1 scoop of your prepared colored sugar into the machine's center. Watch as the delicate strands begin to form. Gently collect the sponge sugar onto a paper cone or stick, rotating it slowly to build up your fluffy cloud. Repeat this process for more delicious cotton candy. Your homemade cotton candy is ready. For the absolute best experience, serve and enjoy your sweet treat immediately. Cotton candy is at its fluffiest and most delicious right after it's made. If you happen to have any leftovers, which is rare, store them in an airtight container to keep them from getting sticky and losing their texture. This helps preserve that wonderful airy quality for a little longer. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.